You ever stumble on a ghost in the machine? 8 forgotten Mercedes, stashed since the 80s. And one of them is hiding a secret that Mercedes tried to bury. Forever.
I'm talking W201 baby Benzes. Built like tanks, driven like legends, and these 8 just woke up after 35 years asleep.
This one? 1,200 quid. Seats like an old armchair, smells like Grandad's attic, but twist the key and it still growls like it's 1986.
Steering so direct, you feel every pebble. Brakes bite like they're angry at the tarmac. This thing corners like it hates you in the best way.
This beauty got T-boned by a Fiesta doing 40. Driver walked away drinking tea. That, lads, is German over-engineering.
.6 straight 6. Sounds like a distant thunderstorm. And when you lean into it, it pulls like a freight train with anger issues.
Double wishbone front, multi-link rear, it just ignores potholes. You're floating on 1980s witchcraft.
Denoyer. Lunatics show up. Factory 16 valve Cosworth heads. Dale Poesser, the demonstration classic Gianum Akisto Poesser. 185 horses that rev to the moon. The largest can also get me excited as in a raw.
The indestructible OM602 diesel. 40 miles per gallon, and it'll still be running when your grandkids are retired.
Listen to that. Pure 80s DTM rage in a suit. Dogleg 5-speed, limited slip diff. It's a street legal race car.
Zero to 60 feels like a punch from Mike Tyson, and the chassis just laughs at you.
Here's the secret. These 4 were actual 1985 NEC Motor Show cars. Then Mercedes panicked, hid them, because the early heads cracked.
But this one, prototype fix straight from Stuttgart. The only known survivor with the secret factory sleeves. Right there, hidden in plain sight, perfectly machined, laser numbered. That little glint of aluminum changed everything.
8 tanks. 1 barn. 1 insane story. Prices from $1,000 to $2,500. And every single one still ready to fight.
Every car has a story. Some roar in like a rescue, some fade out and leave a hole you swear you can still feel when the road goes quiet. This 190E, it was both. It kept me alive on a night when nothing else did, and then it left me stranded a year later to teach me how to fix it and, honestly, myself. So tell me in the comments, what's the one car